Welcome back to Mintech, and today we have the Xiaomi Redmi 9, an entry-level budget smartphone that's just been recently released in the Philippines. An upgrade from last year's Redmi 8 with a starting price of 6,490 pesos. But is it really an upgrade or a step down? Let's find out in this unboxing. The unboxing wasn't a pleasant experience because I had a hard time opening the box itself, and I had to use my other hand to fully open the box. I'm not sure if it's because the device itself is really new or must be how they packaged it. I had to exert some effort just to get it fully opened. The very first thing you'd see after opening is a plain white box, which contains the SIM card ejector, the user manual, and a warranty card, and they included a clear case, which is a nice touch. The next layer is the phone itself, which again, I had a hard time pulling out of the box because the phone is totally tucked inside, and I kept on finding where I can get it pulled out until I found the pull tab on the bottom part of the phone. The final layer contains the usual accessories, the USB Type-C cable, and a 10-watt power brick adapter. The plug would depend on your location and region. It's a big screen phone with 6.53-inch LCD screen, and powering it is MediaTek Helio G80 with either 3 or 4 GB of RAM paired with 32 or 64 GB of storage. It also comes in 3 colors: carbon gray, sunset purple, and ocean green. Our review unit is the ocean green 4 GB variant. It runs on MIUI 11 on top of Android 10, and it has global apps, which makes it a global device. Peeling off the plastic feels like opening a page of the book. So much satisfying. It also comes with a pre-installed screen protector. Well, good job, Xiaomi. The bottom houses the headphone jack, USB Type-C port, and a downward firing speaker. On the right, you have the power button and the volume rocker. Up top is the IR blaster, which is one of Xiaomi's signature feature, together with the secondary microphone, and the dual SIM and SD card expansion slot is on the left. As mentioned earlier, it runs on MIUI 11 on top of Android 10. It's been a while since I used a Xiaomi device, but most of the things I've been accustomed to still exists. The display looks good. It has an aspect ratio of 19.5 by 9 and screen to body ratio of 83.6%. Comparing it with my OnePlus 5T, it has a more screen estate and a warmer. Can it game? Absolutely. It can run games I throw in with low to medium settings. Avicii Gravity runs smoothly, as well as the Asphalt 9, where this game is set on default settings. Not sure how it configures the game itself, but at least the game runs smoothly. I can also run Mobile Legends with high frame rate enabled. More on that in my full review. For the shutterbugs, this has 4 cameras, and here are some camera samples. Stay tuned in my full review, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon to get notified. See you in the next video.